Here's a neat trick when you've got 3 photo masks in a PhotoBax template next to each other. You can add more than one photo or use the same photo across all of the masks. I bring in my photo with the PhotoBax Control plugin, hold down Alt or Option and click and drag in the Layers panel. That will duplicate the image above each of the photo masks. Now I just clip each photo to each of these masks, and then you'll see it looks like we have one photo in all of the masks. I can not only adjust them together if I select all 3 of them at once, but I can go to PhotoBax Control and click Color and then recolorize each of these images for a really neat effect. So I click on the middle image, then I'll click on the next image, or I'll copy a color layer down and clip it to the bottom layer to match the colors. Now I click the background layer, just reset that color, and I get this amazing result.